Hello everyone, welcome to Telangana Exam Center. And I'm gonna tell you that this particular session will be very productive for Group 1, Group 2, Group 3 examination or any of the examination under the sky of TGPSC because it has a lot of good current affairs. And since last 10 days we have not done, and I always stress this point and emphasize on this that I'm not leaving any Telangana current affairs. Even though I come after 5 days or 7 days or 10 days, it is very important for all of you to understand that I am covering each and every Telangana current affairs. And recently I also started economic current affairs, which is also my forte. So do watch for economic current affairs and all the Telangana current affairs, and you have a very small advertisement here. Go through it. So you'll be getting live classes with me with regard to economy paper, with regard to formation paper, and you'll get S&T classes for the free current affairs, all whether India's or Telangana current affairs free. And there is separate fees there for the women and also for the general category. Okay, just you have to call this number, you have to connect to me, let us have a demo session and explain you what are all the features of my classes. Then you are better placed. And as you know that there would be soon job calendar with regard to the jobs, so it is better that you prepare very well in advance. And let us go ahead in our discussion. So you can see the very amazing floral pillar after pillar. We have a very good floral festival in our Telangana that promotes our culture, heritage and tradition, which is Batukamma. So we have created a Guinness Glory also, and we have registered ourselves in the Guinness Book of World Records by creating 63-foot Batukamma. Okay, 63.11 feet high, 11 feet is the width. This and 7 tons, 700 kgs of flowers. You just imagine the place which it is, no, how beautiful it is smelling. And obviously, when women, you know that when women does any work, they does it with so elegant. You can see that how the Batukama looks like very properly. ఓకే. ఇదే మన అబ్బాయిలకి ఇస్తే అయిపోయినట్టే. ఓకే. రైట్. సో యూ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ ఇక్కడ కొన్ని ఫ్లవర్స్ ఉండవు, ఇక్కడ కొన్ని ఉండవు, ఇక్కడ కొన్ని ఇట్లా. బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డన్ బై వుమెన్ నో ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ. సో దే డూ ఇట్ వెరీ క్లీన్, వెరీ నీట్ వర్క్. సీ హౌ దే ఆర్ యాక్చువల్లీ స్టాండింగ్ ఆల్సో. Okay, that is what is all about women, their charismatic personality itself come from their how plain they are, how what structured and organized their work do, the composure what they have. No, that is what is all about the women. And our Telangana women are nothing less than anybody else in the world. So we have made sure that it is has been performed very beautifully. Apart from that, we are also going to cover some current affairs related to Bharat Future City. Very important current affairs I'm going to tell you. It is also important for the mains examination. Economic zoning strategy the government of Telangana has launched. Eco-tourism hubs has been proposed in order to promote eco-tourism in our state. We also have tribal circuits which has been launched by the BRS government previously, that are also running. So you should know the about that also. Minority welfare schemes has been launched by the government of Telangana under the name of CM Revanth Anna Ka Sahara and more. Okay, Musi River rejuvenation project is also there in that. So let us start our discussion with one by one current affairs. Okay. And you know one point, so good the Badukama was held, and Miss World 2025 Opal Suchata Chongsri, she was also in the city at that time, and she has come after the Guinness World Record happened. She also did some steps with all the women of Telangana. Now, a very disheartening, I can say that, okay, Pala Pitta is there here. I should not say because I do the same thing on the Bakrid, okay, but that's how it has to be. Pala Pitta, Indian ruler, we know that it is a state bird of Telangana. Okay, it every time whenever Dasera comes, no, this Pala Pitta faces threat. Why? People capture it illegally. Display is on the rise because it is believed that when you touch Palapita during the time of Dasera, it will get good luck or absolve your all sins, just like you do in the Ganga River by taking a holy dip. Okay, that absolves all the sin or not. In the same way, when you hold the Palapita during the Dasera celebrations, you are free from the sins. Same, it brings good luck to you because of that. Lot of people, okay, catch the Palapita, put them into the cage, wings, cut their wings, or wings are tied, or they will also put fevicol to their particular wings so that they cannot fly, just to make the people to come to Palapitta and touch and do this, etc., and go. So that is what people are doing, which is ultimately leading to lot of stress to them. అగర్ आपको బంద్ करके रखेंगे మీ చేతులు చేతి కాళ్ళు కట్టేసి ఎట్లా ఉంటుందండి, స్ట్రెస్ అయిపోతారు కదా. సో దట్స్ వాట్, ఇంజురీస్ కూడా అవుతాయంట వాళ్ళకి ఫాలోయింగ్ క్యాప్చర్, లీడింగ్ టు దేర్ డెత్ before or after survival. Many of the are actually dying. So please protect the Palapitta for sure. This is our state bird. Make sure that you don't let it what don't harm them in any way. And if you stop the custom, automatically the people will stop the going to the cages, going the capturing them, caging them, gluing them. They will also stop. I guess this is all clear to you. Let us go ahead. Scheme for Minorities Department launched on September 19, 2025. Indiramma Minority Mahila Yojana. Financial assistance of 50,000 will be given to minority widows. Remember this point, my dear students. Minorities does not mean Muslims. Minority includes Jains. Minority includes Buddhists, Sikhs, Christians, Zoroastrians. So minority scheme, this is Indiramma Minority Mahila Yojana. 50,000 will be given to the minority widows, divorcees, orphans, and unmarried women to support self-employment according to a press release of the government. The Revanth Anna Ka Sahara Miskin La Kosam scheme. Okay, Revanth support to the poor, miskin and poor, will provide a grant of rupees 1 lakh to the people belonging to Fakir and Dudekula communities. Very, very important when this particular scheme is applicable to whom? Fakir and Dudekula community. The government of Telangana has allocated 30 crore rupees to implement these particular schemes. So what are the schemes? Let us learn them again so that it vibrate in your brain again and again and you will not forget. So Indiramma Minority Mahila Yojana, how much amount will be given? 50,000. To whom they will be, this amount will be given? Widows of minorities, minority divorcees, minority orphans, and unmarried women. There are 4 categories are there here. Remember, basically women and child centric scheme. Men are not allowed here, obviously. Okay, the Revanth Anna Ka Sahara Miskin La Kosam scheme. Okay, Revanth support to the poor with a grant of 1 lakh rupees will be given to the minorities who belong to the category of Sikh Fakir or Muslim Fakir or Jain Fakir or Buddhist Fakir or Zoroastrian Fakir, what kind of Fakir it is. So all the minority Fakirs will be given this 1 lakh rupees along with the Dudekula community. So how much amount of money is allocated? 30 crore rupees has been allocated. So I have told this 2 times in order to make sure that you this gets into your mind very properly, right? So in Bharat Future City projects, I am loving it every other day whenever they come with this news with regard to Bharat Future City. We are going to have it in our Hyderabad only, and we wanted to make it India's first net zero city. 100 CO2 molecules if you are emitting, 100 CO2 molecules you have to observe. When plus and minus 100 happens, you'll get zero or not. So basically, Bharat Future City will be carbon emission free city. Okay, that is what is our target, and it is also designed in such a way that if any droughts happens or urban flooding happens, it can able to stand like what? Ambuja cement. I guess this is clear to you. It is spread across 30,000 acres. It will have 9 zones. One zone is completely given to AI city. One zone is completely for the health. Another zone is completely for the education. So these 3 important zones has been proposed. At this point of time, let us wait for the 6 other zones, what we are going to have. Zoning the state for growth. So basically what happened if this is our, okay, this is our Telangana. I will take the Telangana map only. Why to have India in that? Again, it will be confusing. So this is our Telangana. So if this is our Telangana and here is our Hyderabad city. So Hyderabad city is this and this is ORR, you can say. Okay, this area is called as Outer Ring Road, means from Hyderabad city to whatever the distance the outer ring road is there. No, this is called as core urban region. Core urban region here. And if it is like little bit from ORR to again other area, whatever is there. Okay, this is called as regional ring road. Regional ring road. ORR to RRR, this is called as manufacturing zone. This is we have given for manufacturing zone. Remember this point. Okay, then I'll just put it in a very proper manner. You can see here. This is Hyderabad. Okay, this is from Hyderabad city to whatever the area the government of Telangana has designated, we call it as ORR, and this is the ORR road only. ORR. This is completely called as ORR region. Then from ORR to another ring, we are going to have ring road, that is called as regional ring road. Okay, this is completely given for what? This is completely given for state's urban heart. Nothing but whatever the state, urban, or government agencies will be there, transportation, government, secretariat, assemblies, etc. Major kind of all the governance will be there here. From ORR to RRR, completely we are going to have manufacturing zones. From RRR to rural area, we are going to have what? We will promote rural economy. Will promote what? Rural economy. So I guess core urban region, manufacturing zone, rural economy, all of these has been there or not? Yes. So core urban region from the heart of the city to up to what? ORR, that is 160-kilometer area is there. Complete ORR is what? 160-kilometer area from the heart of the city. Remember this point. If you are standing in Dilsukh Nagar, then 160 kilometer like this, like this, like this you take, that becomes your ORR. I guess this is clear to you. Okay. Chalo. It will become India's first city to mitigate risk from climate change. As I've already told you that any drought and urban flooding, it can easily able to be resilient. Plans also include to create an urban water grid by rejuvenating the Musi River and restoring all the lakes and nalas. This future, Bharat Future City also consists of knowledge, skills, and global campuses. Another pillar of this city is what? Knowledge hub. Revanth Reddy sir has said that with top global universities will be asked to set up offshore campuses in Telangana. If we are having Columbia University, we ask the Columbia University, let us please have a branch here also. This will feed into local initiatives such as Young India Skill University, Young India Sports University, Young India Integrated Residential School. All of these will be helped when these campuses will come. Telangana will adopt a strategy of China plus one. China to हम तो use करेंगे इनके investment, but we want to go for more than China. Means we are looking for more investments from other countries, not just from China. Okay, I hope various important features of Bharat Future City I told. The first one is net zero, very resilient to drought and urban flooding, 30,000 acres of the area, AICT health zone and education zone out of 9, 3 are announced. Zoning strategy for economy is being given. Okay, then we also have what? Urban grid, urban water grid will be created by rejuvenating and reconnecting the Musi River tanks and nalas. Then it also have knowledge, skill, and global campuses. And we are going to adopt a strategy of China plus one. Telangana eco-tourism proposed projects in Anantagiri, Vikarabad, Kanakagiri, Khambam, Nandipet, Nizamabad, Mananur Jungle Resort, Nagar Karnool. So please make sure that they may ask you in the match the following like this. So all of them, which proposed project is in which district, you should be knowing it. Muchella Eco Park and Vizag Colony in Nalgonda. Muchella Eco Park will also have the night safari. In the night time, you can go and enjoy in the bus or in the whatever the vehicle will be there, very protected. You can just go if you happen to see a tiger, it is very good. Then VR Park, virtual reality park will be there, and a dinosaur park will be there in Muchella Eco Park. Then Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary is also there. We are going to get it in Sangareddy and Amaragiri. All of these will be developed as a eco-tourism project. So ecology, nothing but environment will be there. Okay, environment biotic and abiotic, both components will be there. These two integrated, we will develop a park where you can able to see and feel the aestheticism, feel the relaxment and recreation. Okay, and just have a good time. Okay, right. So Musi rejuvenation project we are having, Asian Development Bank has come forward and they said that okay, we'll help your Musi River rejuvenation project. So already 4,100 crores rupees has been disbursed by ADB Bank in the first phase. And this particular Musi River rejuvenation project will have Mr. Gandhi ji, okay, the father of the nation. And under this project only, we are going to construct a gateway of Hyderabad. Just like we are having India Gate and Gateway of India in Mumbai, India Gate in Delhi, no. So we are all having Gateway of Hyderabad. People should go to this place, click their pictures and come back and say that we went to Gateway of Hyderabad. At Kotavalguda, Gandhi Sarovar at Bapu Ghat, largest, tallest Mahatma Gandhi statue and a museum will be there. Promoting Gandhian philosophy will be developed. For this, the state have requested 250 acres of the central government, and central government has said that already 100 acres are given to us. Rest will be given soon. Rejuvenation to make Musi stretch a cultural hub. So in the Musi rejuvenation project, you know that stalls will be given, cultural articles you are be able to send, handlooms, handicrafts. Okay, street food will also be given. Whatever the way of the Musi rejuvenation will be there. Along with that, in between, wherever the Musi is going, will also actually promote and develop culture of that particular area. The project will rejuvenate 55 kilometer of complete Musi River within the HMDA limits. Okay, and we will also connect the water grid with the culture. So wherever we are connecting the water grid, there also we are going to enhance the cultural aspect of that particular area. As part of the project, the government of Telangana will develop 800-year-old Lord Shiva temple is Manchi Revolu, the mosque at Charminar, Gurdwara at Sikh Chowni, a church on the lines of Medak Cathedral at Uppal. So all the religions are covered, secular. Okay, Medaram Jatara we are having. Government of Telangana is demanding the center to accord national festival status to Sammakka Sarlama Jatara, also called as Medaram Jatara, and they are wanted. They are asking the central government to give funds for the January 2026 Medaram Jatara. Sammakka Sarlama deities symbolize struggle and fight with the Kakatiya army. Their culture and traditions will be given highest importance, Mr. Revanth sir has said. Okay, Medaram Mahajatra is Asia's largest tribal festival, which will be held from January 28 to 31 every time in 27 Medaram village, Tadwai Mandal of Munugu district. As a part of this tradition, the important deities include Sarlama, Govindraju, Pagididdaraju will reach the Gadde from Chilakala Gutta on January 28, followed by arrival of Sammakkatalli on January 29. So first they will arrive, then Sammakkatalli will arrive on January 29. Make sure that you don't get confused. Remember the dates because it's static. Okay. Then we also have Sammakka Sagar project also. Chief Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Vishnu Dev Sai hasn't given principle that okay, Mr. Raymond sir, you have all no objection certificate from Chhattisgarh. You can construct, you can have your Sammakka Sagar project like that. He said, and this project is going to come up in Mulugu district. Okay, so we are going to create a new Ayakat is nothing but creating a new dam, okay, of over 12,000 hectares. The Sammakka Sagar project is envisaged to stabilize an Ayakat of 1.78 lakh hectare under the Sri Ram Sagar project stage 2 and create a new Ayakat of 12,146. From this project, we'll take some water and put in what? Sammakka Sagar project under the Ramappa Pakhal link canal. This additional irrigation potential will benefit Warangal, Suryapet, Mehbooba, Jangaon, Khamman districts along with Nalgonda. This is a very important question in the Group 1 examination and Group 2. So they will ask you that which projects benefit which districts. So remember the projects and districts, don't forget. The project is expected to transform agriculture in these areas, reduce the risk associated with recurring droughts, okay, and also ensure reliable water supply for the crops. By doing this, we are expecting that agriculture productivity will increase and it secures livelihood for the farmers because they can able to go for cropping again and again as because they are suffering from uncertainties from decades. The minister also highlighted that the government drinking water component is also there, pointing out Nalgonda and parts of Varangal has long been affected. So because of the fluoride issue that have already created a full-fledged video on fluoride issue of Nalgonda. So because they are suffering from water, so drinking water component is also there here. So from this Sammakka Sagar project, these Nalgonda and Khammam will also be, Varangal will also be given what? Supply of water. The Sammakka Sagar project is designed to reduce its dependence on groundwater by providing safe river-based water supply to the people living over there. That's how it will become lifeline of millions of people in Telangana, which is in most vulnerable districts of our state. One-liners if you see, Sammakka Saraka Central Tribal University is coming in Mulugu. The Integrated Tribal Development Agency, which is located in Bhadrachalam, has been awarded with Tourism Excellence Award 2025. Remember this point on the Telangana Tourism Conclave Award 2025. According to Mercedes-Benz Hurun India Wealth Report, Maharashtra tops in having 1,78,000 wealthy households. Telangana is having 57. So into 3, the Maharashtra is having. Telangana in its ambitious plan to become 1 trillion economy by 2034, 3 trillion by 2047. I hope this is all clear to you. If any disturbances are there from the behind, please excuse me for that because they are kids. The celebrations are there. So my sister's kids have come, so no need to be so irritated. So I hope this is all clear to you. I'll see you soon for the next important current affairs. Make sure that you be a part of my courses.